channel. Today we're going over something which we talked about in a previous video, but this is for bigger flooring, kind of the same thing from Bullet Tools. Basically it's a shear, right? A portable job site shear. Why would we need a shear on a job site, Eric?
Oh man, if you're doing a lot of cutting, not only is it easier, but it keeps it much cleaner than if you're trying to use a saw.
Yes.
You know, so that's huge.
Yeah.
That's big.
I recently, you guys, installed this flooring from Montezuma Storage in my garage. And I gotta tell you, with this tool, it was cut in seconds, easy, no mess. I was doing it late at night, wasn't waking my neighbors. And one of the greatest features is that there's two wheels back here, so it slides. So as you're doing the work, you can slide the tool down with you to make your cut. So if you're going across, you know, the back cut, you can just slide this across, cut, take it to the next, make the cut.
You know, it'd be nice if they had like a side table or an extension on the side where you could stack like 20 of these things up. Boom. So as you're sliding through the floor or whatever.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, but I mean, I feel like that. There's all different size storage, you know?
Yeah.
You guys, it does come with this,
I like that.
Yeah, so you could cut off your 45s, right?
Yeah, right.
Man, that's a nice 45. So to make a 45, I would just go here like this. It'll tell you right here on the, would that be the right side of the tool? The right side, your measurement. So if you're coming in through the back, you need 3.5 inches, and it was precise. So to close to, you might have more strength than me because you got longer arms. Can you push it down and cut it? So just to cut it, you just push it down.
Well, I think you got to kind of hold on to it.
Yeah. And that's it. And you snap, oops, sorry, Eric. And then you snap off and you have a really clean cut. No debris. I mean, you might get a little chunk of plastic here and there, but generally,
not like you're like when you use like a circular saw or something.
Yeah, there's no dust. You know, here's your jig to kind of put it in the 45s. So it's also for carpet tile, and it does most plastic tiles, you guys. We'll just do one more cut here. Do a flat cut. Pass me that. Thanks. So just pull down. Did you hear that? How quiet that one was, and just a nice, clean cut, you guys. So if I have to go back in, off an inch or so, I can go back in and make that cut. You guys, the back of my garage really did well with this.
I love this. I used a smaller version for Life Proof. And I gotta say, it was it's nice. The one thing I like about this, it's quality. It's like heavy duty. It's not some cheap plastic thing. It's metal. It's gonna last.
Yeah, it definitely has a quality feel to it, you guys. I mean, it's designed for professionals. It's not an inexpensive tool. You know, you're gonna pay for it, but you're paying for that quality. You're paying for that professional
Longevity.
Yes,
and it's made in the USA.
Yes, and 1 or 2 jobs is going to pay for itself, because now you're this guy, you know, that's come in here all quiet, snap, 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 floor's done.
Well, you can get paid for it in one job if you overcharge.
Well, if you're like Eric, you want to overcharge, that's fine. You guys, you can lock the blade down for transport. You can pull that handle out right there, and then to transport it, watch yourself, Eric. You just lift it up, and I used this as a handle and grabbed it, and I was just easily able to walk around with it. And as you can see, it just rolls on rollers there. So, I don't know. I thought it was pretty cool. What do you think when you're doing it, the Life Proof?
I loved it. I thought it was nice. I mean, it sucked when I actually had to pick up a circular saw to cut the stuff, because I'm like, okay, now I got to go outside because I don't want the dust and everything on the floor that I'm going to be trying to lay over with. You know,
right?
What I mean? With this, I could do on the floor ahead of time. You know. And not worry about stuff getting there, so I can still move it and get the floor over there. Circular saw, I had to go take it outside, and you saw how much stuff that created. I mean, that's a lot of debris.
I mean, dust and dirt and cleanup is time, you guys. That's time you need a laborer. That's time at the end of the job you got to clean up. That's time. Me as the customer is like, whoa, there's dust all over my house, dude. You're just putting in plastic tile flooring. You know what I'm saying? Or carpet tile.
Oh, I know what
I mean,
you're saying.
But honestly, if you're putting carpet tiles in your house, I guess you don't really care what kind of mess is happening.
No, because honestly,
right?
carpet tiles, you know what they're great for? They're great for a basement, or great for a playroom or something like that. Like if I didn't,
that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
It's not like you're putting them in this high-end dining room, you know.
No.
Tools in Action, you guys, check it out. Studio audience.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Woo.
There we go.
Follow us on Instagram, you guys. Peace out.
For more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.